Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated steps to turn on Spotlight Snap's pop-up notifications on Snapchat. If you want to make sure you never miss a moment from Spotlight creators, this guide will help you set it up quickly and easily. First, start by grabbing your phone and heading into your phone's main settings. This is where you control all the app permissions and notifications. Once you're in Settings, look for the section that says Apps. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as Applications or App Management. Tap on Apps to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open the specific app settings. Next, tap on Notifications. This is where you manage how Snapchat alerts you, from message notifications to Spotlight updates. Inside the Notifications menu, look for an option called Notification Categories or something similar. This helps you control specific types of alerts within the Snapchat app. Under Notification Categories, find the section labeled Public Content. This is where notifications for Spotlight Snaps live. Here, you'll see an option for Spotlight Snaps. First, toggle this option off. It might seem strange at first, but don't worry. This step lets you reset the notification settings to customize them properly. After toggling Spotlight Snaps off, immediately toggle it back on. Now, right below the toggle, there should be an option that says Show as Pop-up. Toggle this on as well. This ensures that whenever a new Spotlight Snap notification comes in, it appears as a pop-up on your screen rather than just silently showing in your notification bar. With this setup, you'll get real-time pop-up notifications for Spotlight Snaps, helping you stay on top of the latest and greatest trending content on Snapchat without any delays. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Spotlight Snap's pop-up notifications. Now, every time new content drops, you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.